Wow.
I'm going to change my battery. Feel free to, if you want to grab another banjo.
You know what?
Try it out.
I'm out running around. I already loaded up lumber at Lee's and all that, but I'll be sure to stop back.
I'm going to be here till the middle of September.
Yeah, I'll be sure to stop back.
I love hearing you play my banjo.
Yeah, well,
you make it sound better than I can.
Buy that banjo at any price.
At any price?
Well, I don't have money. It's a lot of money. Price would be no object.
It would be more expensive than a new one, I guarantee you that.